experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Porsche's infotainment system? These problems often stem from software glitches. First, try a soft reset. Hold the PCM power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary errors. No luck? Check for available OTA software updates via the Porsche Connect app. Updates, particularly PCM versions 5.1 and 6.0 released in mid-2024, often resolve black screen issues by improving boot sequences. If problems persist, note any error codes using an OBD2 scanner or Porsche's app, as this helps identify the root cause for more targeted solutions. Advanced solutions and future prevention. If basic troubleshooting fails, a hard reset via diagnostic ports might be necessary. This typically requires a Porsche PIWIS tester and dealer intervention. For 2020-2024 models, Porsche's Campaign 2025-001 offers free PCM replacements if software fixes don't work. To prevent future issues, keep your PCM software updated and ensure the system is properly grounded to avoid electrical interference. Porsche is increasingly focusing on software-driven solutions, including AI-assisted diagnostics in newer models to predict and prevent failures. By staying proactive with updates and diagnostics, you can minimize infotainment system downtime.